Part 2. Patterns. Note the pattern in the sequence of the letters below. Now children, see these letters. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. After A, there is B. Again A, again B. See the next pattern. It is A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B. That means after A, it is A, then it is B. Now look at the patterns below. Which one is like AB, AB and which one is like AAB, AAB? And which one is like ABC, ABC? So let's find out. See the first picture. First there is a red square, then yellow, then again red, then again yellow. That means this pattern follows ABAB type. See the next one. There are two green triangles, then one violet. Then again two green similar triangles, again violet. So it is AAB, AAB type pattern. See the next one. One flower, one leaf. Again flower, leaf. Flower, leaf. So it is ABAB type pattern. Next. What do you see here? One flower is there. Another flower is in opposite direction. Then the same flower. Then again the flower in opposite direction. So it is again ABAB type pattern. See the next one. Green flower, red flower, yellow dots. Green flower, red flower, yellow dots. So it is ABC, ABC type pattern. Again it is next picture ABC, ABC type pattern. In the boxes below, make a pattern of your own like AAB, AAB. So here we are going to draw two circles of the same size, then one square, again two circles, one square, two circles, one square. So it will become AAB, AAB type pattern. Now spot the pattern and fill in the empty boxes. Now see here, AA, B and again the opposite image of B, C, C. So here it will be D and D. See the next one. In first circle, how many petals are there? 1, 2, 3. In second, 4 petals. In third, 5 petals. So one petal is increasing in each square. So next one will be 6. Next 7 petals and next 8 petals. Now here, see the next one. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Correct. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So what will be in the next square? Correct. It will be 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Next one. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Here 7 into 7 is equal to 49 and 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Now see this one. 2, 9, 16. So how much difference is there in between the two numbers? Count. After 2, we will count up to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the difference is of 7. So after 16, we will count 7. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So after 30, 37. After 44, 44 plus 7, 51. 51 plus 7, 58. 58 plus 7, 65 and 65 plus 7, 72. In the pattern given below, each figure has been given a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. In the pattern above, at which serial numbers are the triangles? Now tell me, at which numbers there are triangles? 1, 3, 5. Correct. And at which serial numbers there are circles? 2, 4, 6. Very good. The third figure is a triangle. The sixth figure is a circle. Correct. The eighth figure will be a circle. The 11th will be triangle. The 15th will be triangle. The 20th will be a circle. And 25th will be a triangle. So what do you understand from this? At odd figures there are triangles and at even figures there are circles.